What, Bubba's? You got the hiccups now, don't ya? Yeah. You got the hiccups? Yeah, you do. That's what happens when you steal cake. See? See? Yeah. Unbelievable. Yep. You gonna make it? That's why you don't eat 3/4 of a cake off the plate. You're gonna make it? Yeah? Okay? See what happens when you take the cake? You took it the cake. Yeah. You steal the cake. You alright? Oh. Yeah. See? You gonna you gonna live? You gonna live, Bubba? You gonna live, Bubba? Shiloh still. See? Oh my lord. You alright? Oh my gosh. See? That's why Mama told you not to do that. I love you. Shiloh. Mommy tells you not to do things for a reason. Not because I be mean. Shiloh. You okay? Why so serious? Now what are you after? You don't learn. What are you after now? I love you. Happy birthday, Shiloh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Happy birthday, Shiloh. Oh, yeah, yeah.